I've been trying out the Valvoline Restore and Protect on my '03 Silverado. It's got about 290,000 miles, and I've put about 1,900 on it with the oil. So I decided to change the filter and cut it open and see what was inside, and there was a lot. The bottom of it, the bottom row was pretty much completely clogged with sludge. I'll show it to you in just a minute, but I change the oil pretty frequently on this engine. I've done a BG engine flush and a piston soak on it earlier this year. So all the carbon I could possibly clean out of it has been cleaned out of it. But I was pretty surprised what this oil pulled out after just 1,900 miles. I've also had the oil pan off before and cleaned all the sludge out of it. It's hard to see on camera how much is actually packed into this filter, but the entire bottom was sludged up. There's little chunks falling off here and there. I don't really make a habit out of cutting open my own oil filters. This is actually the first time I've done it, but I've never seen this much sludge in a cartridge filter that was properly maintained. Valvoline recommends using the oil for 4 full oil change intervals. So subscribe and follow along, and we'll see how the next one looks.